Today we're making restaurant-worthy chicken lo mein you can make at home in one pan. Savory, perfectly saucy, and it doubles as amazing leftovers.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. To start, we're going to be making a marinade for our chicken.
In a Ziploc bag or bowl, add 3 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, then 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon baking soda to help tenderize the chicken. Mix well, then set aside. I'm using about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs, but chicken breasts work too if you prefer. Cut the chicken into thin strips. If your strips are long, cut them in half for quicker, even cooking. Add the cut chicken to the marinade and massage to coat thoroughly. Set aside while we prep our veggies and noodles. For the veggies, slice 1 red bell pepper into strips. If they're long, cut in half. Thinly slice about 1/4 of a yellow onion. Cut some green onions into slightly longer pieces. I'll also be using a bag of matchstick carrots and shredded cabbage to speed things up. For our sauce, whisk together 4 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 cup of chicken broth. Whisk until smooth and set aside. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add egg noodles. I got these thin ones from an Asian market locally. Cook according to package directions. These cook fast, about 10 seconds after boiling. Drain and rinse in cold water to stop cooking. Then let drain in the sink for now. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large pan. Once hot, add the marinated chicken. Cook 3 to 4 minutes on each side until browned and cooked through. Once done, remove and place on a plate temporarily. Add 3 tablespoons oil to the wok. Add the bell pepper and yellow onions first, stir frying for about a minute. Add a whole 10-ounce bag of carrots and cook a couple more minutes. Toss in the shredded cabbage, about 3/4 of an 8-ounce bag, and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Return the chicken to the wok and pour in your prepared sauce. Stir to combine, then add the noodles. Since it's a big batch, I'm going to add 1 additional tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Off camera, I also added 2 teaspoons of sriracha for a gentle kick. Adjust to taste. Stir fry for about a minute, then fold in chopped green onions and cook another minute. Give it a quick taste test and add salt if needed. Time to plate. Leftovers store beautifully in the fridge. Sometimes I like to add a quick swirl of yum yum sauce for extra richness. You can eat it alone or pair it with a side of steamed broccoli or a green salad for balance.
And just like that, you've got yourself some chicken lo mein. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.